Welcome to today's episode of Alfatron Electronics, What's in the Box. I'm Noel, and today we'll be looking at the Alfatron range of mixer amplifiers. There's three variants in the range, a 60 watt, 120 watt, and a 250 watt. And in terms of appearance and functionality, they are identical, with the only differentiator being the output wattage. So without further ado, let's open the box. Okay, so inside we have our manual pack, which comes with a couple of accessories included, such as your FM antenna, some Phoenix connectors, your soft touch low profile remote control, and the manual. Let's have a look at the amplifier. Okay, so as we can see here on the front of the mixer amplifier, we do have a mic 1 input, which is priority input. Then to the right of that, volume control for mic 1. Then on the right of that, volume control for mic 2 or aux 2. On the right of that, aux 1 input. Bass, treble controls, and your master volume control, and of course your on-off switch. Plus a power level indicator as well. The nice thing about these amplifiers is they do come with built-in FM tuners. Okay, that's what the FM cable for is there in your accessory pack. And it does come with a USB input on the front of the amplifier, which will allow you to play MP3 music files. To the right of that, you do also have dedicated controls for the USB, as well as the Bluetooth connection. Okay, let's have a look at the back. Okay, so as you can see here on the back of the amplifier, we have a 100 volt line input Phoenix connector. We do have a volume gain control for the EMC microphone input. Above that, the connector for your FM antenna, which is included in your pack. The volume gain adjustment for the XLR connector, which is mic 2. A audio source selection switch, which you can then switch between auxiliary 2 and mic 2, as well as for phantom power for mic 2 as well. Next to that, we have auxiliary 2 line in, auxiliary 1 in, and an auxiliary out, which you can use to daisy chain to additional amplifiers if you'd like. To the left of that, we have the amplifier's Phoenix outputs. This one here is your amplifier output for your 100 volt or 8 ohm connection. To the left of that, you can also connect a 24 volt external power supply as a backup for the mixer amplifier. And then finally with that, your pre-attached power cable. So that brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you very much for joining us, and be sure to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any video content that comes out. Thank you very much.